Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to make half circle text in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer. Right click, ellipse tool, move shape, hold shift, right click on your mouse, direct selection tool, select any corner, click the corner, press delete on your keyboard and without fill, select the text tool, right click on your mouse, horizontal type tool. Okay, then click anywhere, hold control, move the corner point, the last, then type anything. Okay, then select text, increase the text size, change the text color. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.